Well, hello my beautiful love bugs, welcome back to my channel. And if any of you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now down below. And also hit on that notification bell so you can be notified of all of my videos when I upload, guys. So today, guys, I want to do just what the title states. I want to try out a new foundation with you guys. And I'm hoping that this foundation matches me. When I went inside in Sephora, she did match me, and I'm hoping that here on camera it do match my skin tone. So for the foundation that I'm going to use will be the Bare Minerals Pro. So you guys, this foundation is practically new, but not say new, just come out. But it's came out 2017, I think, and it says flawless, medium to full coverage, lasts all day. It's creamy, buildable texture for luxurious comfort, and it says stay true to mineral pigments, designed for all skin types. So I got the shade Hazelnut 25, and okay, this is the packaging, and I'm gonna show you the bottle. This here is the bottle, and a glass bottle. And what I'm going to do first is go ahead and shake it up so it can be already blending and mixing it up together because it's been sitting. So for the primer I'm going to use will be the Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty. And this here's the primer. And you can see now my skin is a little bit oily. And I've already prepped my skin as far as cleaning, applying my serums and my moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply this here to my face. And for another new product, I'm going to use this 24-hour long-lasting eyebrow gel. And this here is what the packaging look like. You have the gel down at the bottom, and you did have your brush on the side, but I did remove the brush. So this is my first time using this gel, so we're going to try that. So we're going to try this, and let's see what is going on while the primer is like soaking in. And I might need to put something on my pores. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Pore Professional Benefit, this pore primer here for your pores, and we're gonna see, do it really work for me? I hadn't used it in a while. And I'm just gonna pat it in. I have a layer here on my forehead, on my nose, and I'm not gonna color correct. I do have this kind of like a line. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not sure where it came from, but I've had it for years, and I'm going to go and see a dermatologist because I'm not quite sure where it's stemming from. It's not an acne scar, so I don't know what it is. Okay guys, I got that all in. I'm just going to let it soak in. I'm going to go ahead and take this Magic Collection 24-hour long-lasting eyebrow gel, and I'm going to see what it can do for my brows. And I'm going to take my Morphe Duo spoolie and angle brush. So this here is the color. It's a dark brown, and it might be a little bit too dark for my liking. I'm not sure, but we're going to try it out. So far I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. And I think I'm going to use my Fun here, LA Girls Pro Concealer. I hadn't used it in so long, guys. And by the way, guys, this Magic Collection eyebrow gel, I purchased this from a beauty supply store, and it wasn't local. I got it in Dallas, so wherever you can probably check out your local beauty supply store. And so far, I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Bare Minerals Pro, since I already have my brows done and ready to go. And I'll finish cleaning them up once I finish the foundation. I mean my whole face. So it do come in a glass bottle, like I mentioned, and it has a pump. And I'm just gonna pump maybe 2-3 pumps. And it is a little runny, and I'm not quite sure if this is my shade, guys. Remember when I mentioned that? So I'm gonna take my ring finger and I'm just gonna dab. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender, Real Technique sponge, and I'm gonna apply it this side, and I might use a brush on this side. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. And it's definitely full coverage on this side. It's, well, buildable. You can build it, but it's covering up a lot of my I don't have much scarring, pigmentation on this side, but yeah. And you can see the difference. It looks flawless on this side. To me, it looks, I'm going to say reddish orange kind of to me. It just might be, I don't know. I don't know what it's looking like to you guys on camera. And see how it dried on my hand? Let me bring it a little closer. And we'll see what it'll do once it oxidizes. That's if it does. But so far it looks flawless. And then I thought about using a brush, and my Morphe M439 brush here, foundation brush. I could use this to see how it applies with the brush. Put some pumps on this side. And there's 3 pumps, 6 pumps in all. Let it heat up on the back of my hand. And then we'll take my brush here by Morphe. Let's see. I don't know if I want to dab my brush in it, but I kind of want to apply it like I did on the other side. So what do you guys think? How did you think it applied on the side with the brush and then the side with the beauty blender? In my opinion, I can say, I don't know. Let me see, let me put just a little bit more right where I got that scarring. And I think to me it applied better with the beauty blender than it did with the brush. It's just like, I don't know, I love the look of the brush. You know, not saying that the brush don't look as wet that good, but to me the beauty blender applied a little bit better. It made it a little bit flawless to me. I love using a brush with my foundation. And I only used 3 pumps on this side and 3 on this side. So, and it kind of made it a full coverage. I know it says medium to full coverage foundation, but to me is with those 6 pumps, I'm pretty good because I don't want it to be too much foundation on my face. I don't want the just, you know, where you can really tell when a person has on foundation. And maybe the 3 pumps might have been a little bit too much, but to me it did do the full coverage. I didn't have to go back and add any more foundation. So I'm pretty sure about the 3 pumps for each side. So it was pretty good. So you guys, I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and let you guys see what the whole overall look looks like with this foundation. Well, okay guys, I am done with the face. And I did do a cut crease. I am still practicing on cut creases. And so far I'm loving it. And I mainly use a lot of my shadows from my Z palette from MAC. So that is it of the face. And what do you guys think about the foundation? I know this here's an unusual eye for me. I don't usually go for these type of eyes, but I'm just trying to step out of my comfort zone. So comment down below. Let me know, do you think this foundation matched me perfect or you don't? Me looking at it here, I'm looking at my monitor, so if you catch me doing that, this is what I'm doing. Please forgive me. But I'm noticing that it is, it's matching me, I guess. I'm doing this video, it's late in the day, and now it has gotten dark. So I'm with my ring light. So you guys, I'm not quite sure. Just let me know what you think. And I have my ring light up a little bit high so you guys can see it. And excuse the hairdo, this is one of my units, and I'm just practicing, just doing some braiding on the unit, and also added some hair jewelry to it. So yeah, and it's the Super Bowl weekend, so we're watching the game and also doing some eating. So I just wanted to come back and share with you guys a video today on the BarePRO foundation. So yes guys, first impression for me is that I think it's nice. It'll be great for me for the cold weather. I don't think it would do well for me for the summer. Probably by the end of spring I wouldn't be able to use it because it's kind of getting into the warmer season. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this foundation, and I'm not going to have it on for 12 hours. I know for sure I'm not today. So yeah, probably I would do a wear test in another video so you guys can see how it holds up on me. And so far I love it. If you want me to come a little bit closer, I can, and I'm going to do that. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you would love to see me do more foundation first impressions, foundation reviews, makeup tutorials, anything that you would like for me to do, please comment down below. If you have any questions, I would love to do a Q&A video. Comment, let me know, and I'll see all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys.